Long foul basket. Basket. Addis tayo. Arnie on the left side. On the floor. Number 27. 6. No. It's a play. Pass ball. And gets it. 2. Underneath. Below. Number 2. Idea. No. Stolen by number 27. Number 27. Up high. No. RN. Checks the rebound. Set up the play. Inside, on the right side, behind that skateboard. Skateboard. Good. Degia. On the right side, takes the three, no. That's great opportunity. Hit it. No. Rebound. Number 7 gets the ball to reset. 17 foot, no. Inside the net, 27, and 2 points for number 27. In the middle, no, setting up the play to number 2. On the left side, no. Right side, RM, takes the pull-up, and no, rebound. Ronnie gets the ball, number 7 to Salvador. RM. Set up. Drop it on the left side. Bang! 2. The pass is okay. First 2. Arnie. Speed. No. Number 27. Again. 2 points. By number 27. Tequila. Cross. 80. No. That's the night by Salvador. Number 27, almost slips. Jesse, wide open shot. No, number 10 on the rebound. Back to number 10. Back again. That's loose ball. Number 7. Good. Patrick Mesquita number 17 all the way. 2 points. Inside. Number 27 gets the ball to number 7. Number 17, no. Number 10 for the rebound. Cross. Denied. Number 26, number 26. Lock on to number 17. 26. Using the glass. 2 points. RN on the right side. On the wheel. Airs on the glass. Again. 2 points for the putback. Cross by number 26. No. Underside ball. Good job, Alex. And number 2, Degia. Degia for 3. Bang! Degia. 3. 17 Salvador, low on the rebound block here. Take the 3. No, the pass is close. Other side ball, the ball is close to number 7. On the left side, Tequila, Tequila, oh, across Tequila, Tequila, Tequila. 2 points. Coming from Tequila. Back-to-back points. 27. Game score. Game score. Inside number 10 power. 2 points. Number 26. No, inside Salvador. 2, no, number 10. Oh. Inside. 7 again. All right. No. Hesitation. No. Setting up the play. No. Arden. Give it back. Inside. No. Good. Number 2, Teguila. Teguila for the win. Almost. Number 7. All right. Inside. Powers is on the board. 2 points. RM on the move. RM. No. Amigo. Number 7 for the rebound. Cross. Oh. All right. Setting up play on the middle. Denied. Number 27. Inside to Arden. Spin. No. Number 26 again for the rebound. Back to number 7 on the right side. No. Rebounding number 10. Cross. Oh. So the weight over the left side. No. Number 26. 26 off the ball. Number 27 gets the ball in the middle. Takes the air. No. Again for the offensive rebound. Arden. 2. What miss? 16-13. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 3. Teguila is on fire. My goodness, Teguila. Arden takes the 3. No. Trying to answer that. For 3. No. Rebound to Salvador. No. Arden gets the ball. Salvador. Attack Salvador. No. Salvador. No. Iron for the rebound. Iron. Iron on the move. On the middle. On the right. No. Okay. Almost. Number 7. All pressure the rebound. Traffic opportunity. Wide open. Another one. Another 3. No. Another 4. And they hit it. 3. No. Number 27 for the rebound. To number 7. Outside. Inside. Spin. Salvador. On the back. Then away. Rebound. Rebound. Number 10. Inside. Nobody behind. Wala. Good. Kumawag pa. And yeah. Number 27. 3. 5. Okay, lang yan.
Sorry.
Pinakita na sa